Welcome back to Cities Pulse Explorers, Kigali City Guide. Today, we're taking you on an unforgettable journey to Kigali, Rwanda. This is a city that will capture your imagination and touch your soul. Forget everything you think you know about this remarkable place. We are diving deep into a city that is not just surviving, but thriving. It is a beacon of hope and progress on the African continent. This isn't just a destination, it's an experience. We're here to show you the real Kigali. Incredible beauty, resilience, warmth. Prepare to be amazed by its clean streets, its innovative spirit, the welcoming smiles of its people. Our adventure starts now. Imagine a city nestled among lush, rolling hills. Picture a landscape so green it seems to vibrate with life. This is Kigali, the heart of Rwanda, famously known as the land of 1,000 hills. As our drone sweeps across the horizon, you can see why. The city unfolds over countless green peaks and verdant valleys. Modern buildings rise, traditional homes sit beside them, creating a unique and captivating skyline. The air here feels different, clean, fresh, and full of possibility. This stunning natural beauty is the first thing that will strike you upon arrival. It's a constant, breathtaking backdrop to everyday life in this dynamic capital. The city's geography is a defining feature you'll feel with every step. Ascents and descents, winding roads that curve around hillsides, revealing new vistas at every turn. As the morning sun casts a golden glow over the landscape, you can see the city waking up. The mist gently lifts from the valleys, revealing the red-tiled roofs, shimmering glass facades below. The commitment to preserving this green character is visible everywhere. Meticulously maintained public gardens, tree-lined boulevards, a promise of beauty, tranquility, a connection to the natural world, right in the heart of a bustling African capital. Our journey into Kigali's soul begins at the Kigali Genocide Memorial, a sacred place of remembrance and reflection. Here, over 250,000 victims are honored. The silence is profound, the atmosphere heavy with memory. The wall of names stands as a haunting symbol of lives lost, and the gardens offer a space for healing and hope. This memorial teaches us to remember, to honor, and to look forward with hope, so that the past is never forgotten and peace endures. Leaving the solemn quiet of the memorial behind, we now plunge into the vibrant, chaotic, and utterly thrilling heart of Kigali's daily life, Kimironko Market. The air hums with the sound of 1,000 conversations, the rhythmic chopping of vegetables, and the friendly calls of vendors. Prepare for a sensory overload in the best possible way. Our first stop is arguably its most famous section, the fabric stalls. Prepare to be mesmerized by a kaleidoscope of color and pattern. The real magic happens once you've made your choice. Dotted throughout are talented tailors, ready to turn your fabric into a beautiful tailored piece, often within just a few hours. Moving on from the fabrics, we now venture into the food section. The aisles are piled high with an incredible bounty of fresh fruits and vegetables, all grown in the fertile volcanic soil of the surrounding countryside. The vendors will often offer you a sample. It's a delicious and refreshing way to explore the local palate. For a truly local experience, try a Rolex. From the traditional commerce of the market, we now shift to the contemporary creative spirit of Kigali. Our next destination is the Inema Arts Center. Inema is more than a gallery. It's a living, breathing creative space. Visitors can wander through the building and often see artists at work in their studios. The art you will discover at Inema is deeply reflective of modern Rwanda. Their work is overwhelmingly forward-looking, exploring themes of hope, rebirth, and the dynamic energy of contemporary African life. The gallery also mentors and trains orphans and vulnerable youth in creative skills. Inema embodies Kigali's forward-thinking spirit, art as expression, community, and social change. As the sun sets, Kigali transforms into a city alive with energy and color. The 1,000 hills shimmer with lights, inviting you to discover a nightlife scene as diverse as the city itself. Start your evening at Pili Pili, a trendy rooftop lounge perched on a hillside. Here you'll find panoramic views of the city, delicious cocktails, and a lively crowd enjoying the open air. For those who love to dance, the office is a must-visit. This popular club pulses with Afrobeat rhythms, energetic dance floors, and a welcoming atmosphere that keeps the party going late into the night. If you're looking for a more laid-back vibe, Papyrus offers a cozy setting with great music, tasty bites, and a mix of locals and travelers. It's the perfect spot to unwind or start your night out. For a true taste of Kigali's local flavor, head to Chomud. This lively grill and bar is famous for its mouth-watering brochettes, cold drinks, and a friendly, bustling crowd. Kigali's nightlife isn't just about clubs and bars. You'll also find intimate jazz lounges, live music venues, and open-air patios where the city's creative spirit shines after dark. Whether you're sipping a signature cocktail, dancing to the latest hits, or enjoying a quiet conversation under the stars, Kigali's nightlife offers something for everyone. So when the sun goes down, don't call it a night. Step out and experience the vibrant, unforgettable energy of Kigali after dark. Shopping in Kigali is an adventure in itself, blending modern style with vibrant local culture. Start your retail journey at Kigali Heights, Union Trade Center, the Chick Building, or M-Peace Plaza, each offering a unique shopping experience in the heart of the city. For a truly Rwandan experience, explore the artisan markets and local boutiques, where you'll discover handmade crafts, colorful fabrics, and unique souvenirs. Whether you're searching for designer fashion or authentic Rwandan art, Kigali's shopping scene is sure to delight. Don't forget to bring home a piece of Rwanda's creativity and spirit. Beyond Kigali's storied streets and vibrant culture, a world of adventure beckons just outside the city limits. For those with a spirit of exploration, Kigali offers endless opportunities to connect with Rwanda's breathtaking landscapes and untamed beauty. Begin your adventure atop Mount Kigali, the city's highest point. Lace up your hiking boots, ascend winding trails shaded by eucalyptus trees. Birdsong fills the air. At the summit, you're rewarded with sweeping panoramic views, Kigali's skyline to one side, rolling green hills to the other. It's the perfect spot to breathe deeply and feel the pulse of Rwanda's natural heart. For those who crave speed and discovery, join a cycling tour through Kigali's lively neighborhoods out into the countryside. Glide along smooth roads, rustic paths past colorful markets, banana groves, smiling locals. Whether you're a seasoned cyclist or a casual rider, the journey is filled with moments of joy and connection, but the ultimate adventure awaits just a short drive from the city, Akagera National Park. Embark on a day trip into this wild, untamed expanse, home to elephants, lions, giraffes, zebras. Traverse savannas, shimmering lakes on a guided safari as the sunrise paints the horizon in golden hues. Here, every moment is a reminder of Rwanda's incredible biodiversity and the thrill of the unknown. Kigali is not just a city to be explored, it's a gateway to adventure. So step beyond the city center, embrace the wild, and create memories that will last a lifetime. In Kigali, every path leads to wonder. As the city lights begin to twinkle, let's take a peaceful detour into Kigali's lush green spaces, true oases of tranquility amid the urban landscape. Here, nature and city life blend seamlessly, offering visitors a chance to reconnect with the earth. Our first stop is Nyandungu Eco Park, a restored wetland sanctuary on the city's edge. Stroll along wooden boardwalks, listen to the songs of native birds, or simply breathe in the fresh air. This park is more than a retreat. It's a symbol of Kigali's commitment to environmental restoration and education. Next, we visit the Kigali Golf Resort and Villas, a sprawling green expanse where the rolling fairways are framed by the city's iconic hills. Whether you're a seasoned golfer or just looking for a scenic walk, the resort offers a serene escape with panoramic views, gentle breezes, and modern amenities. Families picnic under shady acacia trees, joggers weave through landscaped paths, friends gather for yoga as the sun rises. These green spaces are vital to Kigali's urban life. They provide not only relaxation and recreation, but also help keep the city cool, clean, and vibrant. In Kigali, nature is never far away, a gentle reminder that every great city needs room to breathe. As we leave these peaceful gardens behind, we're reminded that the heart of Kigali beats in its people and its progress, but also in the quiet green places that nurture the soul. Step beyond Kigali's natural beauty, and you'll find a city rich with stories, art, and history waiting to be explored. Our journey begins at the Kant House Museum, nestled at the foot of Mount Jali. Once home to Dr. Richard Kant, the first German colonial governor of Rwanda, this museum traces Kigali's transformation from a modest colonial outpost to the vibrant capital it is today. Walk through rooms filled with rare photographs, artifacts, and interactive displays that bring Rwanda's early days to life, and discover how Kigali's unique identity was shaped over the decades. Next, we venture to the Rwanda Art Museum. Housed in a former presidential palace, the museum's striking modern galleries showcase the creativity and resilience of Rwandan artists. Here, colorful contemporary works sit alongside traditional crafts, each piece telling a story of heritage, hope, and innovation. Visitors can engage with rotating exhibitions and even meet local artists, gaining insight into the creative pulse that animates Kigali's art scene. Our final stop is the Presidential Palace Museum, a site steeped in national significance. Explore the preserved residence of Rwanda's former presidents and wander the gardens where history took a dramatic turn. The site offers a unique glimpse into Rwanda's political past, with exhibits that reveal the complexities of leadership and the enduring spirit of the Rwandan people. Outside, the wreckage of the presidential plane serves as a stark reminder of pivotal moments in the nation's journey. Together, these sites invite visitors to step into Kigali's living history, where every artifact, canvas, and corridor tells a piece of Rwanda's remarkable story. As the last rays of the sun paint the sky over Kigali's thousand hills, we are left with a feeling of deep gratitude and admiration. If there is one thing that will stay with you, it is the undeniable and powerful spirit of its people. This is a city defined by its human element. Kigali is emerging as a powerful symbol for the future of urban Africa. It is a story of good governance, long-term vision, and sustainable development. Kindly like, subscribe, and share this video. See you in the next video.